So we're now going to use our foil adapter on our helium king cylinder to inflate an orb balloon. So you open the valve, the green tap, unscrew it all the way around so it's tight, and then you push the black rubber nozzle down to release your gas. When you open an orb, they come in this sort of shape. Don't worry, they will go completely round like a beach ball. So you place the valve into there, and again slowly push it down. Sometimes they do make a little popping sound where they're sealed around the edges. They're just slow and steady. See the creases? You need to get all the creases out. So you just need to slowly, and keep an eye on the crease, focus on one. That's how I do it. Just slow and steady at the end. So your creases are out all around the lining.